Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss Wang back with the bang. And if you're new here, then welcome. Join the family. Click the subscribe button down below. If you're not new here, then welcome back, sis. I am so happy to have you back here. Alright, so today we are doing this hairstyle. I was just laying down and decided I want to try something new with my hair. I was really wearing my hair like my natural hair this week, and so I decided I want to do something different with my hair. Alright, so I want to put some braid in. I want to try a protective style. So if you want to see how I got this protective style, like 4 braids, I call them passion butterfly braids because I did, well, you see why I call them that. Then keep on watching.
Pack your bags, I got a one-way ticket to explore the world tonight. I want you back, so come with me.
Hey guys, alright, so let's start off this hair tutorial right now. So these are the things that I used the hair I used for, out of that pack of hair, for each braid I used 1 piece. So it comes with 7 pieces and I used 4 pieces in my hair. Alright, I don't really like my braids to be very thick and bulky. I like them thin, and yeah, so that's the reason why I only used 4 pieces. So if you like your braids thicker, then you know you'd probably need 2 pieces for each braid. So that would be like 1 pack and another. You'd need a piece from another pack of hair. Alright, I did add a few pieces of the water wave here to give it the butterfly effect. So those are what I used. I used my edge control, of course, to get my hair laid. I used elastic band to catch my hair up. I know a lot of people don't like to use elastic band because it might tear your hair out, but it doesn't tear my hair out because I'm very careful with my hair. But I like to use the elastic band over the scrunchie to catch my hair because it catches my hair more neater than the scrunchie. Alright, so that's what I did. I laid my hair with the edge control and catch it with my elastic band. I go ahead and I kind of smooth the ends of my hair out with the edge control so as to get it more even with to blend in more evenly with the braid. Alright, and this is pre-stretched hair that I used. I prefer to use pre-stretched hair because it doesn't get as messy as the regular canicolon hair. So I prefer to use a pre-stretched hair. It is they already have the ends uneven, so I don't have to go through all of that trouble to get the ends uneven so I can get a good plait out of it. Alright, so that's the reason why I prefer to use the pre-stretched hair, but whatever you prefer, you can go ahead and use it. And as I said, if you like your hair fatter than how I am doing my braid hair, then you go ahead and you can always add hair as you go along. If you are, when you're plaiting, you realize that it is too thin, you can always add some hair. Alright, so that's all I did. I did the 2 at the back already in the interest of time, and I am just showing you on here how I am doing the front 2 ponytails. Alright, and they say practice makes perfect, and that is so true, because on the other ponytail, when I was doing that one, I did it much neater than I did this one. Alright, so you want to stick around for that. Alright, so all I did was just plait the braid out. I add a piece of water wave here in the braid as I went along. I didn't use much because I was adding the water wave here, and because I wanted to pull it apart, pull the braid to get that kind of butterfly effect. I didn't braid it as tightly as I probably could have, and that was one of the reasons for my hair pulling out of the braid. My hair is really short, so it was pulling out of the braid, and probably because I didn't add enough edge control. So those are the things that you want to look out for. Right, so when I was doing that up at the top, my hair kind of pulled out of the braid. I had to tuck it back in. Alright, so when I do that, after I braid the hair and try to pull it apart, I go ahead with a piece of the braiding hair to wrap around the base of the hair, or where I catch it up so as to make it look a little bit more neater. I think I touched the camera and my camera is looking kind of blurry right now, but just bear with me. Onto the other side for the other braid, and I'm just kind of like smoothing the hair to catch it. All right, so guys, as I was saying, when I was adding the water wave here, I noticed, and when I was trying to pull it apart, I wasn't really getting that butterfly effect as if you were doing regular butterfly braids. I guess it's because it's only one big braid. It's gonna be really hard for you to get that butterfly braid effect. So what I actually did was to go ahead and add water wave, like just tie them around the braid and have them hanging down. As you could see in that braid that I already did what I'm talking about. All right, and you'll see at the end of the video what I'm talking about again. All right, so for this braid now, I am trying my best to put more edge control on the ends of my hair to get it more neat, flatter, so as to have it blending more seamlessly with the braid. I don't want no braid sticking out again. All right, so I tried to add some more edge control, and that did in fact work a bit better for me. So all I'm doing right now is to just plait the hair in on my natural hair. Go ahead and plait it out, and yeah, that's it. So you'll see me adding the water wave here as I go along, just the same as I did with the next one, because of course we want consistency. Whatever I did on the other side, I'm going to be doing on this side as well, but I'm gonna go ahead and tie my water wave hair around the hair to get it like a little bit more fluffier and give me that curly butterfly effect. Keep on watching, guys. Watch till the end, guys.
I know you feel like you want me, and I guess in a way you do. Holding my breath, unraveling emotions. I need some space to think this through. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. Look away so you won't see, 'cause the pain is in my eyes. Feels like I could break it any moment and shatter your insides. If you feel my mind, call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I would rather lie. I would rather lie. I don't wanna fight. I would rather lie to you. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you. just make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I would rather lie. I would rather lie. I don't wanna fight. I would rather lie to you. I'm honest, I'll just make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you.
Alright, so guys, I am at the end of this video. This is how the braids they turned out. Like, I did my hair and I got dressed, so kind of fuzzy, a little bit fuzzy. I clipped it up a little bit. You can go ahead and clip your hair up to how you see fit. I mean, this style is not really supposed to be all that neat, because of course it is like butterfly braids or passion braids or whatever. So yeah, this is how they turned out and I absolutely love them. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like my content, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Share if you're not into this kind of thing with somebody who you know would like this kind of look. All right, so thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.